more space. Eventually, we will change lanes, but right now, don't tailgate them. And don't let them control you like, oh my God, what am I going to do? Eventually, we will pass. Stay on the gas, get over one lane to the right. Right is up. I love that blind spot check. Keep eating. Kill your blinker. Drive. That was good. And eventually you will pass the truck. So just keep moving, eventually. Don't be scared like, oh my God, I got to stay back here. Keep driving. Eventually you will pass the truck. Keep going. If I put you in the left lane, you're going to have to go really fast and people are going to be tailgating you. I don't want that pressure on you yet, but I want you to know I can do it if I have to. But right now, you're safe, you're good. The car's handling really nice. Good job. Keep going. You're doing great. You'll be getting off in about 3 or 4 more miles. Take your time. Turn the wheel. Good. Keep eating. Good. Keep going. Yes. Don't hug. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, it is. And you're doing pretty well. Keep driving. Pass the truck, push gas, accelerate. Because we never want to hang around the no zones. Left side, right side, front and back. You are doing great. Excellent. Good job. And then you just want to lift your foot a little bit. You're a lot smoother. Yes, squeeze a little bit more. Perfect. You're good. Drive. Nice job. Keep it up. And when you go back to college, you'll be on the deep interstate. You'll see trucks, and you'll figure it out. You'll learn. This is okay for now. You're okay. Leave a little bit more room. Hey, yes. Keep driving. Perfect. This is the slow lane, the middle lane is the smooth lane, the lane to left is the passing lane. But because it's wet and everyone's flying, I don't want to put that pressure on you right now. I want you to gradually feel comfortable. That's the big semi truck that was behind us. You did good. You're going to get off at this exit up here. Turn on your right turn signal up. Squeeze your brakes softly. Perfect. Yes. Get us off here. Squeeze. Perfect. Yes. You want to lose most of your speed on this ramp. You want to keep rolling up. You don't want to stop because cars are coming off at 60, 70, 80.
And the stop sign's for them, not
That's for the service drive. Yes. Turn on left turn signal down and start slowing us down. You will see a crossover.
Yeah, I'm familiar. I used to live over here.
Girl, come on. You already know. You know what we are.
Up here, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, he's from the church. Could have more money than us. We never know.
Yeah, my grandma used to say that homeless people are rich because they don't pay taxes.
You already know. You already know. And then you're going to make a left right here at the crossover. So go ahead and turn. Go ahead and go. You're good. Turn the wheel. Nice. Go up to the stop sign. After you stop, you're going to make a left. You're going to get back on the expressway. So you can pause for a second and breathe. Turn on left turn signal down. Squeeze your brake. Go up more. And stop. When they go by, then you go. Turn. Inside lane. Yes. Follow them. Back on. Yes, go get it. Push the gas. This is a little ramp. These I-94 corridors are little. You got to come out about 50. And then be ready. Good job. I like how you got on the gas. Yes. Don't look too long. Blinker, mirror, turn signal. I love it. Don't jerk. That was great. Good. If you want your wiper zone, twist that up. Okay. And then settle down for a second. Breathe. And then don't worry. I'm going to put you in the middle. Then I'm going to get you to the fast. Keep driving. It's a nice merge out. You're a lot smoother. saw a Challenger spun out off of 9 Mile. That curve is really slick and bad. Doesn't surprise me. So keep it up. Perfect. Excellent. Everything's good. I like your smoothness. I need you to stay here for now. Then eventually we'll get over one lane to the left. But right now, just stay here. Feel comfortable. Build up. And just be patient. Keep eating.